So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in task scheduler. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the right hand side, you're going to click on create task. And then once this comes up, you can just give it any name you want. I'm going to be calling it create shadow copy of C drive. You can call it anything you want. And then once you've done that, you now want to check the box run with highest privileges. You're going to tick this. Now we're going to go to the triggers tab. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on new. And you can now choose how often you want the shadow copy to be created. You can do one time, daily, weekly, monthly. I'm going to be going with daily. And then once you select that, you're going to click on OK. And now you're going to go to the Actions tab. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on New. And now make sure you have Actions set to start a program. And now in the program script, you're going to type in WMIC. And now where it says Add Arguments Optional, in this box right here, you're going to type in shadow copy space call space create space volume equals, and then your drive letter where you want to create the shadow copy of. I'm going to be doing my C drive. I'm going to type in C colon and then backslash. This will also be down below in the description. You can just copy and paste it if you want to. And now you're going to click on OK, and then click on OK again. And now to create our first backup, you're going to click on Task Scheduler Library on the left hand side. And now you're going to find the task that we just created right now. Here it is for me, create shadow copy of C drive. Now you're going to right click on it and then click on run. And it's now going to run this. And now that's been done. So let's say that we head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you can now scroll down and then click on this PC. If we go to the drive that we just made a copy of, then we just find one of these folders. Let's say that I want to right click on the Windows folder. Then I go to Properties. And then I go to Previous Versions. There's now going to be a backup right here that we can go back to.